Hi, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to delete a card or a deck on your cards, or of course delete a deck from your cards, of course. So all you need to do first of all is just go and download Snap Marvel. If you don't have it on your phone, of course you can do that through Play Store if you're using an Android, App Store if you're using an iPhone, or any other store you could be possibly using. Then you would like to open the application, then log in into your account. And of course, if you already have an account, just ignore all of that, log into your account, and you'll be good to go. But if you don't, all you need to do, just go and create your account. You can even create your account with a Gmail account if you don't want to go through all the boring steps of creating your account. So of course, when you do that, let me just go here and open my Marvel Snap application as usual, of course, if you want to follow this tutorial steps. Sorry. So that will be actually your home or your main screen on the game. And of course, if you are interested by playing this game on your PC, you will find a video on this channel on how to do that. So just make sure to go and check it out. So of course, as I said, if you want to actually delete a deck, all you need to do, just go here to your collections, which is at the left of your main option right here. So of course, from here, as you can see, you will find some decks here. So let's say an example, like you created this deck and you want to delete it. All you need to do, just go and click at this three lines at the top right corner, and as you can see, you can share it, you can paste it, and here you have the option of confirming your deck, and here lastly you have the option of deleting your deck. So all you need to do, if you click on this, they are going to tell you, are you sure you want to delete your deck? So of course, if you want to cancel, just go and hit cancel. If you want to really delete your deck, just go and click at do it. And as you can see, there is only one deck now at our collection. So this will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching, and goodbye.